Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are answering a popular question. Can you use Google Wallet at an ATM? Let's break it down and find out when and how it actually works. So first, remember, Google Wallet is an app that stores your debit cards, credit cards, loyalty cards, tickets, and more right on your phone. But what if you're at an ATM and need cash? Well, the short answer is yes, you can use Google Wallet at an ATM, but only at special cardless ATMs that support tap to pay or NFC technology. So here's how it works. At certain banks like Chase, Wells Fargo, or Bank of America, you'll find contactless ATMs. These machines let you tap your phone or smartwatch, no physical card needed. Just make sure your phone's NFC or near field communication feature is turned on and your Google Wallet is linked to your debit card. When you get to one of these ATMs, you have to unlock your phone, hold it near the contactless symbol, and follow the prompts. You might still need to enter your PIN for security, but after that, boom, you can now withdraw cash directly from your Google Wallet. Now, a few quick notes. You can't deposit cash using Google Wallet. It only works with debit cards, not credit cards, unless your bank specifically allows it. And most ATMs still don't support phone tapping, so you might still need your physical card sometimes. So, yes, you can use Google Wallet at an ATM, but only at tap enabled ATMs with NFC support. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.